Hello, friends, Namaskar. Welcome to our cooking channel, Mother's Tasty Food. Dear friends, we brought you a new style easy and delicious loving recipe. This delicious and easy cooking will give you a tasty dish. 200 grams dried peas, 5 to 6 pieces eggs, 3 medium-sized chopped onion or PYAAJ, 1 garlic or medium size of RASUNA, 9 small pieces of ginger or ADARAK, 1 tablespoon black pepper or KAALEE MIRCH, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds or JEERA, 2 red chilli or LAAL MIRCH, 1 bay leaf or TABLESPOON, 1 tablespoon garam masala or 3 pieces of cardamom, cinnamon and cloves mixture, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder or HALDEE powder. Perfect ingredients and good taste. Very tasty, easy and quick recipe. You are hungry again? Just 6 minutes complete recipe, then enjoy and go to cooking. Enjoy cooking with new style best recipe. Use simple ingredients, but taste is the best. 3 bowl of water. Boil 5 minutes. Dear friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe. After mix, 2 bowl of water and 1 tablespoon salt and turmeric powder or HALDEE powder. Please comment, like or dislike our recipe. Dear friends, your suggestions are highly valuable. Two medium-sized chopped onion or PYAAJ, 2 pieces of green chili, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or HALDEE powder. Mix well. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Soft and delicious. Very tasty. Red chili or LAAL MIRCH, 1 bay leaf or TABLESPOON, 1 tablespoons cumin seeds or JEERA, 1 medium-sized chopped onion or PYAAJ. One medium-sized chopped tomato. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, or haldi powder, medium fry, ready tasty masala. Minutes. Use simple ingredients. Very tasty, easy and quick recipe. 3 minutes medium flame. Do you like our channel? Yes, please subscribe. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel. 1 tablespoon garam masala, or 3 pieces of cardamom, cinnamon and cloves mixture. Thanks for watching our video. Dear friends, after 1 minute, ready, very tasty, delicious recipe with nice smell. Dear friends, thanks and regards. We are going to meet up in my next video. Till then, bye bye.